Alright, what's up YouTube? Hope you guys are having a fantastic Wednesday. So today we have a special episode for you guys. We are going to take a look at a lot of altcoins today, but it's going to be a short episode. So it's just going to be quick analysis on a list of altcoins that I'm looking at. So yeah, let's just jump right into the charts. Alright, so we'll start off by looking at BTC dominance. BTC dominance is obviously a very important chart to keep your eyes on if you're an altcoin trader, right? And if you guys remember my last video on the BTC dominance, you know that I was waiting for this green box here to get taken out. What I mean by taken out is, I was looking for it to fail as support. It has now failed as support, so we're going to turn that one into a red one. And check this out, guys. Yesterday we had a pretty perfect, almost picture perfect bearish retest of this horizontal line that I could drawn out here. So yeah, we're getting rejected by this resistance on the first retest. It's looking like BTC dominance wants to come down and test this area, and that means it's a risk on opportunity for altcoin traders. And what that means basically is buy altcoins, get rich. Well, maybe not get rich, but you know what I mean. We'll start off by looking at TRX BTC. This is one I've taken a look at in my other videos. I think yeah, my streams and everything. And guys, do not forget, I'm holding a live stream tonight where I will take a look at Bitcoin. I'm going to take a look at a couple of altcoins, and I'm going to do a Forex market scan too. And a huge shout out to Prime XBT for sponsoring the YouTube channel and sponsoring my videos. So a huge thank you to those guys, and it is really great exchange, so you definitely have to check it out. I've got my link in the description below, and if you guys are also members of the Birdnest community, you know that the Birdnest has a partnership with Prime XBT, and I mean the Birdnest wouldn't partner up with some shit exchange, that's for sure. So definitely check it out. You will not get disappointed. That's my main exchange right now. Obviously I'm not using it to trade altcoins like TRX because TRX BTC is not on Prime XBT. I'm mainly using Prime XBT to trade BTC USD and the major cryptocurrencies against USD like Ethereum and EOS. And I'm also using it mainly as my Forex trading platform. Works really good, so definitely check it out. Alright guys, so TRX BTC, I checked this out in my live stream, and I did I did tell you guys that this might have been a good entry, right? This 180 sats level. I do really like the 180 sats level, but the level I'm looking to get reclaimed is the 190, this red box resistance area right here between 9850 and 990, something like that. So what I would be looking at is a daily open and close above this area for a potential long on a retest for a move higher. TRX is looking good if we can reclaim this area. KMD BTC, now this is a trade that I'm in. I'm currently in KMD BTC, and I did share this one in my last altcoin update for you guys. So if you followed this one, congratulations to you guys. You should be well on your way up to take profit 1. Take profit 2 is up here at around 993, and the last but not least take profit is 1113. I would leave a open position on this one in case we get a high time frame market reversal. We will most likely not see that because Bitcoin will most likely break out or break down in the coming week or weeks. So if that happens, altcoins will most likely suffer quite a lot. But we have an altcoin window right now. It's risk on for altcoins. I think this is a good day. If you are not in KMD right now, a retest of the 800 sat level with a stop loss below 715 should be a pretty good setup. Manage your risk accordingly. I am not your financial advisor. Do not take my advice. Only take my information and do whatever you want with it. But do not do not buy blindly what I'm telling you, because that you will get you will fuck up most likely. You will get wrecked, right? You need to have strategy. Only take my setups if it makes sense to you. All right, so you have an idea of how you would want a setup to look like. If you see me post a setup, if you see me talk about a setup in my YouTube channel and it aligns with your idea of how you want your setup to look, take the trade. But do not take the trade if you're not confident enough, if you don't think that my TA lines up with your TA. There's something called trader confluence, and that's when you have two traders agreeing on a setup. And that confluence is definitely best if those two traders have come to the same conclusion using different methods of TA. XMR BTC, nothing's really changing for this one. Looking very, very boring. Not looking super good, to be honest, but reclaim 7,120. Long the retest. That's what I'm looking at. Algo BTC, I know a lot of people actually bought this one after I showed you guys in my last altcoin update. So congratulations to those guys. I'm still waiting for an entry down here. And if we can't get that, I'm waiting for this area to break out. I'm waiting for the 2,600 sats area to break to the upside. I would like to see a daily open and close above this red box resistance. I would then long the first rounded retest for a move up to at least 3k sats, and quite possibly a very, very big move for algo all the way up to 5,000 sats. So if you're in this one, take profits on the way up, raise your stop loss with every new swing low on a daily, and let your winners run. Very, very important, guys. Let the winners run and cut the losers short. That's how you become a profitable trader. Troy BTC, I'm in this one too. You should know if you're in the bird nest, because I did post a setup on this one. We have bounced in the RLC. It's looking good. I'm hoping for a move higher. Nothing to see here really. It's moving according to plan. CH said, we did get a bounce here. Am I interested in this one? No, not really. I know some people bought the bounce here. Congratulations. You should take profits up at 145 sats, 155 sats. Not interested in this one right now. I think we missed the opportunity here, and I do remember like saying not really interested in buying this one because I think the price is just too messy. Price action is not clear, no clear direction on this one. I want to wait for a proper clear breakout, and yeah, that's what I'm waiting on that one. Bad BTC, I have recently, you know what, I'm not gonna show you the whole setup on this one, or am I? Well, this is a setup that I've just shared as a official call in the Burners training community, so definitely check that one out. I'm not going to go into any detail on this one right now because obviously it's, you know, a setup for the exclusive members of the Burners community, so definitely check that out if you're interested in that one. Bad BTC, but if you have been following me on YouTube and Twitter, you should know what I'm looking at on bad. I've been waiting for this setup for 7 months and I'm finally entering. Fat BTC, good old Fat BTC. What are we looking at this one? We're looking for a possible setup here. So we probably missed the setup. So I shared this one. I know some people did take this setup too from my last video, and congratulations. Maybe it's not on my last video, but it definitely did check this one on a live stream. I think it was the last live stream, right? So yeah, looking good. We did bounce here. I'm looking for the 302 sats area to get reclaimed. I want to see a proper breakout of this area, and I want to see like a clean break without any wicks touching the area below. I want to have a nice clean rounded retest of a naked level. That's what I'm looking at right here. And if you hear me say stuff like a clean break, rounded retest without any touches in between, or naked levels and all that, it's I don't really have the time to go into details on anything of that right now. I'm just showing you the setups I'm looking at, the ideas I'm looking at, and in later videos I will do more in-depth explanations of the actual concepts I'm using. And if you want to learn to trade like me, You can get hints of what I'm doing in my YouTube videos, but really where I share 110% of all my ideas and all my techniques and strategies and all that is to my private mentors in the Burbnest community. So if you're interested in that, check out theburbnest.com and the private mentorship. Check that out, guys. You will not be disappointed. Ethereum USDT. So yeah, I'm looking at Ethereum USD. I do not really use trend lines that often, but this is just too good to ignore, right? I'm looking for a break of this trend line, and I want the break to be confluent with this range low. So we can't really be ranging too far here and get a break out down here, because I want the breakout to come in the next couple of days to have the retest area of that break line confluent with the range high here. That's Ethereum USDT. Link BTC. What are we seeing on Link BTC? Well, we're seeing Link BTC moving very nicely on the daily. It's just this one is crazy. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with Link, but it's just insane. If you're a long-term holder of Link, congratulations. You're probably a millionaire by now. Daily looking very good, very good. Higher highs, higher lows. Testing resistance up here. I'm looking for a trade when we get the actual breakout out of this level. I want to long the first retest, daily open and close above, long the first rounded retest, stop loss should be below that area. Take profits up here. That's what I'm looking at for Link BTC. SEC, Zcash, BTC. Testing resistance over and over again. This is the reason why you want to see a daily open and close above, to not get faked out. Daily open and close above this area being 5690 something. Stop loss below that level, probably somewhere around that area. Take profits here. That's what I'm looking at, that one. No proper trade idea right now, but that's the general idea, right? Matic BTC, good old Matic. Look at this. This is beautiful. This I don't like it, and I'm gonna explain why I don't like it. I know I said beautiful, but it's not beautiful. This looks like crap, really, because it's just, this is not how I would like a retest to look. This is not a rounded retest. This is a breakout and just very choppy, ugly price action. Move up, rounded retest, back to this level like that. It's just, I don't like it. A rounded retest, this is a rounded retest. This is what I mean by a clean break, no immediate retest. Rounded retest, first test, bounce. I mean, obviously not the best setup, right? But you would have made some money on that, definitely, if you were patient enough and had your stop loss low enough, right? But this one, I don't know, man. Like, we got the bounce, beautiful weekly candle. Daily candle. But looking at 4 hours, just too much resistance above. So the area we need to reclaim right now for a move up to, possible move up to local top, local high at 300 is this area, right? So that's what I'm watching, and that's what I am going to watch. The setup would look something like this, right? Take profits up here, stop loss, well, probably below that level like that. Something like this, obviously not, perfect, not the exact perfect setup that I'm gonna be playing, but something like this for a good 3R, something like that. That's Matic BTC. Ethereum BTC. What am I looking at right here? We're looking at a range, and I'm not going to be trading Ethereum unless we take out this level above between 25,600 and 26,000. Break that area to the upside, daily open and close above, I'm long on the first retest. Break this area to the downside, I don't know, man. I'm gonna wait for price action to resolve itself if that happens, but this one is pretty clear, right? This area up here is pretty clear. Wait for a breakout, long the first retest. Stop loss below the last swing low on whatever time frame you feel comfortable risking on. Well, Tomo BTC. God damn, this is... did I miss this one? Fuck, man. Holy shit. This is looking good. For some reason, I did not have... I mean, this trend line is shit, to be honest. I should not have put that on at all. It's just... That's not the good one. So, it did look good on the lower time frames. On a daily, it looks like shit still. It's probably it's probably still a shit coin, right? Judging by this one. So yeah, resistance. We are right now inside the daily resistance area. So there's no trade right here. We need to break out, reclaim, go. And I would actually look for a reclaim of the 702 Fibonacci retracement area, the midpoint of the RLC. Not seeing anything beautifully perfect right now. But that's my general views right now. WTC. WTC not really doing much since my last update. This is what I'm looking at. Break above 435. Daily open close above. Long the first retest. Go up to this area around 730. Stop loss should be below the last swing low on the daily for a good probably 3 or 4 hour. ADA BTC. Now ADA BTC has started its reversal here, and as you can see, I don't have any levels on the chart at all because I don't feel like I need one, to be honest. It's just very simple price action right here. So I'm just gonna add one here, and we're gonna draw that one all the way back here. That's a support area, and if we lose that one, you could be pretty sure that we are most likely going to test this area below at around 700 sats, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Lose 830, and we will most likely come down and test the 700 sats area for ADA BTC. PPT BTC, PPP, PPT BTC. Populus. It's not even. What is this names like? Populus PPTBC. I love that name. Very nice. Rounded retest on the 4 hour emerging here. Very nice. Confluent entry, confluent with the 302. I like this one. Do not copy this setup. This setup is looking like crap right now. But the general idea would be enter inside this area. Stop loss probably maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. Probably here. Profit all the way up here. That's what I'm looking on PPT BTC. I'm liking this. I really do. I like this one. Very messy charts. I should remove that one, obviously. Let's add it. Actually, what the fuck is this? Look at this wick right here. Damn. Well, I mean, if you use that wick up here, you do have the midpoint of the RLC. You confluent with this. Yeah. I guess that makes sense. Probably not, but does it? No. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but I like it. But I'm not gonna take the trade because this is just weird. I like this. I mean, I do not like wicks like this in a 4 hour. This is just stupid. 1 BTC. I had a request in the Birdnest community to check this one out, and here we go. This is 1 BTC. So actually, I know that I've said that I wanted to do this video as quickly as possible, but obviously covering all these coins, it's not going to be super quick. I'm already been recording for 18 minutes, and I get it, guys. Like, you probably want it to be as quickly as possible, but I think having covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost like 20, 25 altcoins in 20 minutes. That's pretty good. 1 BTC, what are we seeing on 1 BTC? Heavy downtrend, heavy downtrend. We need to reclaim. We need to reclaim basically this area around 46, 47 for a move up towards this order block EQ for a good 30% move. So that's what I'm looking at. Reclaim the area between 46 and 48 sats. Daily open and close above. Long the first retest for a possible move up here. Not sure where to place a stop loss. This is too low. So let's see if we get another swing low like that. Setup would look something like this, like entry here, stop loss here, take profit here. That's what I'm seeing on one BTC. Now let's take a look at, that's the signal for me to end the recording. But let's take a look at the ENG BTC first. So ENG BTC, I'm looking for a reclaim of 2288 to like 2,300 sats for ENG BTC, for a possible move all the way up to 4K. That BTC, looking very good. I would wait for this current daily candle could close above 82 sats to long the rounded retest of this area. Otherwise, we have an area down below at 76 sats for a good entry, and profit taking area would be around between 100 and 105. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and sorry if I became a little bit stressed there at the end, but my girlfriend is calling me. She's waiting outside in the car, so I gotta go. Take care guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.